Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock a Ford Escape. First, assess the situation. If your keys are locked inside, you have a few options. One common method involves using specialized tools. Always prioritize safety and avoid causing damage to your vehicle. We'll cover the most effective and safest techniques to get you back into your car quickly and without hassle. Let's get started. The Slim Jim is a classic tool for this situation. Carefully slide it down between the window and the weather stripping. You're aiming to hook onto the locking mechanism rod inside the door panel. This requires a delicate touch and some patience. Once you feel the rod, a gentle pull should disengage the lock. Remember, practice makes perfect, but always be careful not to damage any wires or components. Another effective method involves a wedge and a long reach tool. Start by carefully inserting a wedge into the top corner of the driver's door frame. This creates a small gap, perhaps 1/4 of an inch, allowing you to insert the long reach tool. Guide the tool to the interior door handle or the power unlock button. A firm press should unlock the door. This method is often preferred for its minimal risk of damage. If these methods prove difficult or you're uncomfortable attempting them, it's always best to call a professional locksmith. They have specialized tools and expertise to unlock your vehicle without damage. Also, consider keeping a spare key in a secure, accessible location, like with a trusted friend or family member. This simple step can prevent future lockouts and save you time and stress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.